So the RDR2 has a new problem, and the problem is it crashes after 10 to 20 minutes of playtime. It's the same with the Empress, CPY, Dodi, and all the other crack, because they come with the same build. And today I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So first thing you have to do is go to Firewall. You'll have to search this in Windows bar and open this up. Let's go to inbound rule, create a new rule, select program, and select our launcher.exe. Block the connection and just name anything right here and just finish this. As you can see, I've already done that. You'll have to do the same thing with outbound rule. I've already created it, but just to show you, it's the same process. Just go to there, select the file, block the connection, and that's it. And after that we have to do another thing, because if you don't, it might not work. So what you have to do is go to control panel, go to clock and region setting, which is where we change our time and date. So for this we have to go to change the time zone and click on change date and time, and as you can see I have selected January 2019. Make sure it's 2019 and then hit OK and OK, and that is it. After that your game is going to work pretty nicely. So that's it. If it worked, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.